Hey, I'm Rachel and Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and let's talk about the key to success. So Keith Cunningham, I saw him speak at Tony Robbins' event, at his Wealth Mastery event, and he gave us some acronyms for the key to success. So FOWTW, find out what your ideal client wants. So find out what they want. Okay? So, and not what you want to give them, find out what they actually want. And then GAGI, go and get it. And GITT, give it to them. Find out what your ideal client wants, go and get it, give it to them. The key to success. I just made your life a heck of a lot easier, and we tend to overcomplicate it, right? But that's the key to success in business. Find out what they want, go and get it, give it to them. That's it. So did you register for our Blog to Make Challenge? That's coming up on August 27th. I'm going to teach you how to monetize your blog in 5 days. We're going to have so much fun. And yeah, go sign up, joinblogchallenge.com, and I'll see you there. Bye.